Okay, welcome back. So we are here this hour. So please, if you are joining me, like the video, of course. Very important that you do so. We are going to react on a video of Chiamaka Jere and what he said, because he is all out for Biafra Unite. Even though you don't mention his name, but you will know that he was talking to Chiamaka, to Biafra Unite. So my people, welcome back to my channel. Like I said, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you comment so that we know how many of us that are here this hour. And I'm not gonna waste much of your time because I will not be too, I will not spend a lot of time here. Maybe if you want to contribute, of course, you can call on and contribute. So first thing, let me just see if I can share the video first. Let me share this live stream to our main platform so that that's going to join us, of course. But listen to Sunny is here. You are the first on the comment. I see you, my brother. How are you today? Let me allow this guy to.
That we darkness. All we have to do is to follow him. Joko knows the way through that we darkness. All we have to do is to follow. Joko knows the way through that we darkness. All we have to do is to follow him. Joko knows the way through that we darkness. All we have to do is to follow. Joko knows the way through that we darkness. All we have to do is to follow him. I was in the shower this morning, and as I was pouring water on myself, the spirit of Chukwokike spoke to me. I was wondering. I was asking many questions. The questions I was asking before he gave me this topic this morning, I was asking, why are our people so delusional? Why are people so mean and wicked? Thank you, Don Wapa. Why are people so mean, dangerously evil? Why? Why are people throwing us back and delaying us from going home? Why? Why do people come out, lie in their very face? And the funny thing is that they live with that lie, they come out with that lie, and they come and propagate that lie, and they still say, Biafra, Biafra, oh hey Biafra. Nabekano, our leader, Simon Ekpa, Odogu, Obatobie, and they are lying. They're lying. There's no truth in them. There's no integrity in them. There's no light in them. As I was thinking about it, the Almighty Kabiyama told me, I heard it in my subconscious. He said, unexpected end.
You're very funny.
I will bring an end to them all.
Okay.
An end. It is very easy for some people to come and say, I am not a prophet, though. What I say is prophecy. It comes to pass, even those that want to sell their channel and collect money and put in their pockets, and their conscience did not even bring them. They come back and they are forming hero. They're forming hero. They are forming hero. Without shame, without disgust, I spit on your grave.
So just give me time, because I'm actually setting some of the things, because I want to hear what he said, then I'll make a comment. So, but as you are listening to him, click on the like button if you join us. Make sure you do that. It's very important. Like I said, this is just to react on his comment, and you know who he's indirectly talking to, right? If you don't know, I will tell you, but just keep on listening. Very important that you do so.
I spit on your graves, all of you. Every one of you that have no integrity. Your life is full of mammon, unbelievable love for the things of this world. This is Biafra. If it is true that somebody you love so dearly died for this particular purpose, and you have love and passion for that person to bring Biafra on behalf of that person, I bet you will not do what you are doing. You won't. You won't come out and still stand in defense and still there shamelessly telling Biafrans who are expecting the suit to end, telling them, I don't stand anywhere, I don't support anybody, anybody that have their army, let them come. Shame on you. You disgust me. The Almighty Chukwu is no respecter of persons. Pastor Van Van Van, I am no respecter of persons.
Love up with Asha.
We are going to do a spiritual exercise again.
Love up with Asha. Can you stop spamming the chat, please? If you make a comment, you just give time. You don't sense. It doesn't make any sense to me. You keep on saying hi. You know that I'm playing a video. Or are you machine or something like that? Don't spam the chat, please. So just make a comment so I will know how many of us that are here. Okay? I want to see your comment. Very, very important. As you can hear what he's saying, in case if you don't know, Biafra Unite was the one that said that he lost a loved one in this movement, that he cannot just, play around after losing his loved one, that he was just trying to let Biafra know that he's not here to play, that kind of, even though I understand, but Chiamaka is running too fast. He don't even understand that Biafra Unite was saying those things in their favor. And the reason why Chiamaka did not, respond or make any post or comment on that video that Biafra Unite did, all of them kept quiet because they understand that. Why would I even say that he don't understand? They know that he was making that comment in their favor. But why sudden attack? Why he decided to write on it today? Because of the yesterday news. Because to him now, it's not getting to them that it's not what they think that is coming out. Yesterday was like everybody is still in shock. But I'm not here to I always say, I'm not here to laugh at anybody, but at least to set the record straight. This issue of what's name? Biafra Unite is decided to stay on the fence and all that. It's not an issue to them, but it seems to become an issue now because of the turnout of the event. Things are no longer the way they expected it to be, and it's an issue. They are trying to make it look like, okay, that Biafra Unite knows what he was saying and all that. It's not, because it's no longer in their favor. But why must you choose to do that kind of thing? Why must he choose to do that kind of thing? Because everything that Biafra Unite said there is for them. Biafra Unite did not know that things will turn out this way. That was why I made the video that I made, trying to tell us the hidden agenda of Biafra Unite on that video. And Chiamaka is here for me after the yesterday news. How many of them have decided to comment on that for audio? Only Ross, this guy, the person that handled that account need to repent. To be honest with you, that is one of the worst things that anybody can do to our people. The lie and pretense is second to none, and it's very, very bad. Very, very, very bad.
Every Biafran that love freedom and that will agree with me today, after 3 days, you are going to take one egg. One. Every one of you. We're not going to break egg on the social media again. It will be between between you and your conscience and between me and my conscience, and we are going to do it on Friday. You will decide and you pray. If you're a woman, you can do it midnight, you can pray midnight, you can go naked, you can lay a curse, you can cast a spell, but do it. You must do it. If I am able to get 7 people, I don't need to see them all, 7, including myself, that must join in this spiritual exercise. This evil wilderness will end. It will end. You are going to see some spiritual signs that you have never seen before in the whole of this Biafra history. Let's do this together. Enough of this disgrace and shame. Enough of this disgusting attitude. Enough of this fake hypocritical. Oh my God, I feel like throwing up. The Zoological Republic of Animal Kingdom, you and I, you have always been the victim. Don't worry, I saw the memo that one lunatic posted. Don't worry. Don't worry. We are here. We are here. You know the prayer you're going to pray with your egg on Friday, the 3rd day. Many of you have seen things that are happening. I am not taking glory for anything. Believe you me, I didn't even know the way to go Kabiam I wanted to do it. The thing is just happening. It's just happening. My platform is not getting the traffic it was getting before. But my platform is getting the holy people that are needed for this exercise. I will repeat myself. My platform is not getting the traffic it has been getting before now. But my platform is getting the people that are needed for this spiritual exercise. That is why I am happy. You are going to join me. We will start the prayer too.
In case if you want to join him on that spiritual exercise, let me say this, because I know some of us, we like to do this kind of thing out of emotion, out of sentiment. Doing spiritual cleansing, I'm not in a position to tell you whether you do it or not. But the only thing you need to understand is make sure that your hands are clean. To the people that you want to invoke, you want to call their name, you want to use their name in your spiritual exercise. Because anybody that can add the hot, I know they go that kind of thing. No? You must be very, very sure that you know what you're doing. He have done the first one. He's now proposing the second one. Like I have always known that many people are doing some of, voodoo behind the camera just to get what they want. I don't wonder the kind of Biafra and freedom you want by voodoo. I to be honest with you, I don't know. But it's your choice. Do whatever that pleases you. But make sure that whoever you're gonna call the name, that you have the right to do so. Okay? Even though some of you may say, well, there's no point in that. Yes, your faith may work for you. But what I'm saying is that, not may, it will work for you. But make sure that before invoking people's name in your spiritual exercise, make equation either the person or for. Or for means that you are not the one looking for the person's trouble. You are not the one looking for his trouble or her trouble. In fact, what you are doing, that person committed the crime that you claim that the person committed. If you are not sure, stay clear and maintain. This thing, everything in this life is not about gra. As long as you are in the way of the truth, you stand on the truth, you know what you are doing, and you are sure of that. Keep doing what you are doing as long as you are right. The God of nature will pave way for you. But if you want to force things, sometimes it can backfire. It can backfire. I may go back to this video, where he started. But let us just go forward a bit to know what he had, because I've not listened to everything. I just played a few of them and started to comment on, to bring it here. And for some of you that would like to, if you want to contribute, just comment, then I'll place the number, the WhatsApp number you can call in to contribute. Very, very important that you do so, because sometimes we tend to ignore the truth just because we want to please ourselves. He's calling for spiritual exercise. For what? Do you have any problem? Like, is there anybody against you or after your life? I don't know. But like I said, he has the right to do whatever he wants to do. Please, my people, can you just click on like button? Only 4 people manage to click on like button, and I want you to do that because I want others to join us as we move forward. Let me see. Let me refresh the comment section because I may not see every comment here. Like you see, people have been commenting I did not even know. Let me open it again. Let me use PC for example. I think PC will help me to get the real message. Ubi Fidelis is here, and Ubi Fidelis, were you not the one that you are the one that always attack us now? He said the way PM was giving DOS content in the way is the way bridge media team is you people content. Carry on, the time shall tell. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, Ubi Fidelis. Like I always say, you giving content is funny. You see, your bias is very, very. It makes me feel like throwing up because you are so biased. You are so biased. So these people that you are following, they are not using other people to do content. Is that what you're saying? Giving us content is very, very funny. If I decide to talk about other things, the same you will say, oh, you are cooking it up. Reason, if I can write on this video without playing the voice of Chiamaka, even if you want me to discuss about it 1 hour, 2 hours, I will do it, and I will be on point. I will tell you as long as I've listened to that video, I will be able to tell you everything that he said and what I understand from it. I can analyze it without playing the video. But the reason why, because I know why you're saying that, because we are hearing his voice here. Why I play it is, some people may feel, oh, you are just cooking it up, that, oh, Chiamaka did not say anything like that. But as you are listening to his voice and the way he's saying it, you have no reason to doubt it. Okay? You have no reason to doubt it. People like you are you are very good at deceiving other people. People like you can deceive people simply because you want to please yourself or because of what you believe on. I used to see you as somebody who is reasonable, but you have proven to me that you are far from it. Very, very, very far from what I was thinking about you. Anyway, I'm not here for you. So you have right to say anything you want to say, but let it be civil. Don't do gra-gra, otherwise I can send you to where you belong. All right? Judith is here. Judith says, Raphael, go and talk. Judith, thank you for your comment. And they are creating problem for themselves. We are looking for a country, not Ogo, ROC, Biko. Some of them want to use that to get what they want. Instead of to do the right thing, yeah, we're looking for spirit that will help you to do it. Be proud of who you are. Stand on what you believe on. Don't just allow voodoo to, represent everything about you. So you be Fidelis, I know. When I say like the video, click on like button. I know you are the one of the people who will not even do that. He said you thumbs it down. But do your best and just be safe, okay?
The Almighty Kokabiama said, we are going to have an expected end. What is that expected end? I'll put the link this morning. Don't enter this link if you have a negative mind.
Frank, I see you.
If you are a hypocrite, if you are a liar, if you support evil, if you come on this platform, 7 days.
Okay.
Only 7 days. So consider this platform to be your holy altar. Yes. not like the author of that your fake pastor. Consider it. So if you do not believe that Njoko knows the way and is leading us out of that wilderness called the Zoological Republic, if you are a fake person, you are here, you are there, you are here, you are there, don't enter this platform. If you have run away, run, don't come near us. Don't come and pollute us, we don't need you. Don't need you.
This is the mindset of Chiamaka Jere. And you be fidelity, this is a typical you. You and Chiamaka is in the same level, like your reasoning and the way you think is the same way. You are the kind of people that commit something. Once you are being given chance to revive yourself and to see how, just to give you a second chance, you will see another person that is committing the same thing that you have committed in the past. You will give, dish out all that for them to be executed. The reason is because they have committed something, but you forgot that just yesterday you were like that. Just hear what he said now. If you have run before, if you fall out before, if you have been people that desire to go out and want to come back, which he himself have done, he said, "Don't come back, don't come back." Meaning that if he were to be PM, he wouldn't have given himself second chance. Do you understand what I mean? So it's not about, he says, run, don't come back, you don't need to come and pollute here. This is coming from somebody that made video that was circulating on social media, that even to tomorrow, DOS are still using that his video, just to, make proof that, look at someone that's with you, this is what he has done in the past. And if you begin to pay close attention towards his attitude and his character, you still can see some of that kind of attitude still living in him, even though he received this guy has chopped that second chance very, very well, but yet he still can go back. He still can, do one or two things that he used to do before that made people to begin to wonder, what is he? What can we say about him? So anybody, if you think that what Chiamaka Jere is saying or that he's right, I will put my number here. You can call and explain that. Okay?
So you are going to pray. After we declare that prayer, you are not going to see egg in my hand, but I'm going to have an egg.
Why? Because he knows that the one that he hold, was all over social media. If you know how he can end that picture of him holding eggs here and there, declaring words against people.
And you are going to have eggs.
You will know.
Every one of you.
He's not happy with that.
Yes.
Let's go back.
It's not like the author of that your fake pastor.
Listen.
Consider it. So if you do not believe that Njoko knows the way and is leading us out of that wilderness called the Zoological Republic, if you are a fake person, you are here, you are there, you are here, you are there, don't enter this platform. If you have run away, run, don't come near us. Okay. Don't come and pollute us, we don't need you. We don't need you. So you are going to pray. After we declare that prayer, you are not going to see egg in my hand, but I'm going to have an egg.
Just a moment. Sorry about that. Wait. What happened? Okay. Sorry about that. I mistakenly clicked on something. And let me go back. Frank, again, I forgot.
This is how you protect.
Your brother wants to continue with his voodoo. Egg breakers. I don't know why some people are like that.
Family from dangerous intruders.
To be honest with you, the ad is playing. Let me just get it out. Okay, so we are back.
You are going to pray. Henceforth, anybody that will make any attempt attempt, try anything to delay this freedom. Anything anybody will do going forward that will put a clock on the wheel of Biafra success, whoever that person is, the thunder of Ogige, Amadioha, everything that keeps Biafra alive will go after that person and make that person miserable and make that person like Cain and destroy that person completely. Are you listening to me? Anybody, if it's your mother, it's your father, it's your sister, it's your brother, you are going to put a clock on the wheel of success of Biafra. You do not wish Mazin Namdekano well, or you call his name. You are not representing Simon Ekpa. You know you are not representing him. You know you are not working for him, and you call his name. Amanda Dabiri have written his letter, and the courts and everything, they're going to take their course. But you know what? This one works faster. Hey!
This guy.
This one. Work like magic. All you need to do is be holy and be sincere in your heart as you join me in this spiritual exercise. Anybody going forward, because I don't understand. We are at the brink of extinction. At the brink of extinction, their plan is to annihilate us, me and you. They want us to be exterminated. They want to erase us.
See, this morning broadcast, let me tell you something. For Felix Godfrey and UB Fidelis, if you say you are a man, call this WhatsApp number and say it. Let us hear you. You know, one thing about you guys is that people who are, I don't want to insult you, even though you're insulting yourself and your woman are here, okay? You talking about me being envy. Is eating envy on what? Envy on what? Say what you know. You don't know how many times they have pushed me to be with them. Envy on what? See, I'm not here to brag anything. But you remove the word of envy. You may say that a Kai report, you are very stupid. I understand. Kai report, you are senseless. I understand. I respect that opinion. But when you say envy, that's the height of it. Envy on what? It may not mean anything to you, but it means a lot to me. Don't say that. And if you keep on saying that, okay. Like I said, you can also come here and prove to me how envious you have found that I am. Maybe anything that you know about me that I cannot remember. Maybe you know me better than I know myself. This number is not for anybody in particular. You yourself can use it and call me now. Let me know that thing that you know that I don't know. Okay? You don't. Maybe you are even older than me. You don't know my age. You don't know my age. So forget about what you are saying. But I'm not here to drag anything with you. If you say that, I'm actually helping you, because out of your gullibility, people like you will go and carry egg. That your comrade, they say, bring egg, let us break. You don't know the implication of the egg breaking, and you don't know what you are doing. Did you hear what he said? He actually gave you the state that you must be before you break the egg. One, you must be righteous and follow the truthful way of getting Biafra. You must not have any anger and mercy against Master Kano, or walking against what Master Kano believe on, or going against anything that PM is going he stand for. This is one of his own criteria for you to join him in breaking the egg that he's going to break on Friday, according to him. So you don't know this guy that championing this. You don't know what you have done behind the scene that you're not aware of, that may be contrary to what he's saying. And that egg breaking that he's calling us to do now may actually go against it. And by the virtue of you subscribing to that, you may be a partaker. You don't know that. So that's why I'm actually helping you, but out of your myopic brain, yeah, you can't, you don't have vision at all. You don't know what I'm not discouraging you. Don't see it as you don't want people to break it. Please go and break it if you want to break it. I'm just concerned that you may not be aware of what you want to do. That's not to say that I'm stopping you. Go on and do you and break your egg. I'm excited to break egg with a different agenda. I may not break my egg with okay, anybody that wants to start against Biafra or anybody. I may come out and say, if you have ever mentioned my name with negative mindset, I will break my egg. Let's also reverse back to you. And for the fact that I did not mention your name more, but I said if you have ever anybody, but you that are calling my name to break egg, you already there in. It's whether you do it off camera or don't do it secretly. It's not like it doesn't matter. It's only a fool that will believe that most of you are not, most of you are not relying on power of voodoo, or some of you cannot even do vegetable business. What is the smallest business that anyone can do? Even to selling a recharge card, you can't even open pure water business like with the small fridge like that. Selling it in a remote area. You can't even open a business that that the capital will be maybe 100,000 or 50,000 naira without you going to native to consult your ROC to help you to do that, to back up. Some of you in your account, you have only maybe 200,000 or 500,000, but out of that 500,000, 300,000 remain for Libya. And you believe that you will get this 200, remaining 200 will multiply to 20 billion or that kind of thing, because that is your mind, that's your belief. So I cannot stop. I'm not here to stop you on that, but this is who you are. Everybody must not be you.
On the map, they don't want us, and then somebody is collecting money. Somebody is busy somewhere shouting, "It's Ngozi we need, oh! It's Ngozi is our leader. Ngozi is my God, oh! Ngozi is the Odoko. Ngozi is the Queen, oh!" We are no longer in exile. We are not a government, oh! After Friday. After Friday, we are no longer in exile. We are now a government. You will lead us. All of you evidently will see yourself falling into ditches.
There are difference between after praying, God answered the prayer, and you what you believe on before starting of the prayer. They are not the same thing, no. You may believe that after praying that people will fall, people will do this and do that. That's your belief. But the truth is that will that happen to people? Like after their prayer, will that thing that you believe on manifest? It left for God, not you. You are just predicting. And he says something here. I don't know if you pay attention to that. He said that anybody saying that you are no more that you are no more in bridge. You are not more in bridge, you are not in USB. Okay? That the egg is part of it too. That but in every sense, in every sense of it, like if you can tell yourself the truth, forget about where you belong now. Let us be honest. Let us be honest. January last year, 2024, PM and cabinet started planning on the convention for Biafran declaration on December, which is the last month of the year. From beginning of the year, you set up a goal, a target, that you are going to achieve this by so time, so date. And they started working on it. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And that goal was to do what? To declare Biafra, moving from Biafra government in exile to USB. This guy was there. He's part of it. We are not even part of it. I have never been in any IPOB or Biafra meeting. Are you getting the point? I am standing where I'm standing now because I watched everything all these years. I know. I can tell you what I see. But you that are in the meeting may have a different opinion to say. But don't blame me if you have contrary things to say from what I know. Because I was not there with you. So I'm reporting based on what is in the public, not as an insider, not as a full member. No. That's why when I said that, look at my position, some of you get irritated because the truth is always bitter to some of you who drive joy in swimming in lies. I can't feed you with lies because I don't have none. I can only tell you what I know and the way I see it. It's left for you to buy into it or forget about it. This guy saw the whole plan, the whole thing, everything is there. What did he do? He chose not to accept it even at this point. Ask him, you are against USB, right? You think you want to be in a bridge, right? Okay. Did you travel to Finland? Yes. What did you go there to do? To declare USB, which you don't believe that it exists. He just declare it is a name that is gonna manifest after we finish with the bridge. What is it that you want to finish with the bridge? Or you want to fight? They want to fight in bridge to have USB. Okay, meaning that you declare USB that you don't have yet. Then why did you travel to go and declare it? Since you know that you have to fight with the name of the bridge to achieve USB, it's a common sense. And somebody want to drag you to break egg to claim cost on those who actually believe on what he himself participated in declaring. In that convention, you can watch the video. Him and all of them, they were waving flags. USB, USB. Then they fly back. Okay, did we just shout USB? No, there's no USB. Let us fall back. Let us fall back to bridge. As if that's not enough, they are busy to tell you that anybody that want to fall back to bridge, we go down for it. Okay, TV now participate because of you are envy, you are jealous. Felix, you see, you can't even call because you know that you can't stand the truth. I'm not here. You see, none of them are my enemy. I don't see them as enemy because I gain nothing from what they're saying. I lose nothing from what they're doing. I can decide to bring another topic here. This is my platform. So don't see it as you are just saying it for no. If I decide to talk about Nigerian politics, or maybe Nigerian politician, or even in favor of Nigeria, people that love Nigeria will follow me immediately. Oh, thank God that you are back. They will still sing praise of me. But is that the truth? The answer is no, because you cannot sing praise of what is not good. So that's just it. I want you to always don't just listen and just feel that that is how it is. Let us buy to that idea. No, pay close attention to everything that people are telling you. Let's continue.
Telling you, I heard the Almighty speak to my subconscious.
Owen Palace, I see you. Thank you for your comment. And Frank, I said, madness don't start to all because I am going to be the leader of Biafra. Yeah. You are right, my sister. You are right. Very, very much right.
Unexpected end. He told me, I will not make it end the way you want it. I have my way. Does anybody know that scripture? Jeremiah 29:11. You know, I told you guys I'm not a Christian, but I never told you I don't believe the Bible. Hello? And you remember, I said I am no longer a Christian, but I never told you I no longer believe the Bible. I believe the Torah 100%. I believe the Torah. Jeremiah 29:11.
Someone said my number is not working in WhatsApp. Are you serious?
I know the plan I have towards you. Plans of good.
Are you serious? Owen Palace. That's Celestine. Oh, my number. Are you sure? Let me reconfirm it, please. It's not working in WhatsApp. How can it be? Please let me call the number so that you yourself can. Okay, let me see the number. Let me see it first. The number here is +234 for those that are calling from outside Biafra land. 9161. Then 847 8497. Okay. Yeah, that's a mistake. It should be 979718. Okay, just seven is missing. 7 is missing. Let me. How will I do that? Is it editable? Let me see if it's editable. I don't think so. Let me see if I can copy it again. So it should be 9718. So let me just add 7 to that. Nine seven. Okay, 9718 is the number. Remove. So sorry about that. Thank you. Thank you for the correction, Celestine. Okay, let me. How will I pin this? Replace. Yeah, replace. Okay, so that is the number. And please don't see this broadcast as a propaganda or attack on anybody. So if you are calling, don't insult anybody. Just make your point. I don't want insult this morning. Don't insult anybody. Okay? Don't insult anybody. Just make your point if you have anything to say. Because this morning, you don't need to start cursing anybody. And Celestine said, your number, okay. And Chibuike Miracle, must he be the leader? If everybody becomes the leader, who will be who will he lead? Exactly, my dear. I don't think what? Okay, I don't think he must become the leader. It's not a must. But some people like to force themselves on other people just to prove that they know everything. Just to prove that they can do and don't do. You know that kind of thing. So the number is working now. If you want to call, you can call in. So let me go back to what.
To give you what? Write it on the comment section. To give you what? An expected end. They will not believe it. Okay, may have famnanya. I am fam. Yes. I'm a child of heaven. I believe in God. I am not sick. I can't be a child. I'm not. So, don't worry. Chukwama, don't worry. You are going to see the magic, the wonders of God. Many of you used to talk about the 7 wonders. Maybe you have not seen the 8th one. You will see it.
Do you actually know why this guy is writing this way? Many of you may know. Why sudden proposal of breaking another egg? He said it's going to take place this Friday, right? So why? It's because of the turnout of the event, which most of you already are aware of it. And if you maybe you did not start from the beginning, he was bashing Biafra Unite. And I'm going to drag the video back later before we end this program so that you can hear that part, because I know most of you just joined and you did not follow the whole thing the way we started. But I will try my best to take it back so you hear what he said. He did not mention Biafra Unite, but he did not mention his name, but everything he said there was directed to Biafra Unite.
And nobody should be ready to take the glory. We are not going to take the credit. Remember, we are preparing ourselves to march to Arochukwu, the glorious land of Biafra, the land of the rising sun. The land of the rising sun. Somebody is that.
Okay, so he's now welcoming people on the program to comment on that. Let's just hear just few of them, then we take it back and round up the program, because we have spent 45 minutes on this live broadcast.
You're disappointed by that person. You know, you used to be weak. It will weaken you somehow because that person disappointed you. Yes, honestly. I had broken.
How did he get to this
place? In this Biafra.
Just a moment. I think the video just jumped from somewhere to somewhere.
I'm telling you that there is no money coming, including those you know. You have respected them. Have you not brought it? It's a lie. Carry. Okay, tell it. Success. Again. And you know that video is a lie. And you were crying. To quote they said, gone are the days when hypocrites will show up to mesmerize my people. Gone are the days when hypocrites, liars, perjured persons, drunkards will show up to mislead my people, lead them astray. Gone are the days. Gone.
Hello.
So when you
hello,
call
my brother.
for Biafra, you
good
call.
Morning.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you very clear.
Yeah, I just have one question to just ask you.
Okay.
In this Biafra issue, this Biafra struggle that everybody is struggling to make sure that we get to our promised land. Okay? My first question, what Ngozi, do you stand for Ngozi first or you stand for Ogere? Before we ask you what I want to ask you, please.
Why do you want to ask that question? Who I stand for? I stand on the side of the truth. I stand on the truth.
Okay, and this old government that our Prime Minister put in order, and the new government that Ngozi Oradeze have bring now, which one do you support? Do you support on Ngozi government or do you support on old government, the old bridge that our Prime Minister create for us to follow the template?
Do you know how Ngozi come out with do you know how Ngozi started the that government you are talking about? Are you aware that PM is the one that instituted it?
You said? Come again.
Are you aware that PM is the one that set up that government that you're talking about, and that you said that Ngozi's government now? Are you aware that PM is the one that formed it?
I'm not aware how Ngozi is
okay, are you hold on now? Are you aware that before the convention, PM have already set up a transition government committee, like a committee that will facilitate it? Are you aware of it?
My brother, this thing that you're telling me now, I'm coming before we answer your question. This particular thing that you're telling me right now, if our PM have set up a new government before Finland get to him, it is not only Ngozi that is going to inform. There is a cabinet that have already, the government that is working under the Biafra people. So he should inform the government. This is the new government. This is where we should follow. And why I just want to tell you something. I don't like, as you are my brother, I speak Igbo, I saw you like Igbo person, and you also carrying propaganda around. You should stand for truth. You should stand for truth. Stop following. Ngozi Oradeze is not letting us to get Biafra. Ngozi Oradeze is here to destroy every down thing that our PM have put in place. And then you are here also supporting her, giving her the courage to do what she's doing to Biafra. But it shall never be well with her. It shall never be well with her. If you're carrying propaganda, stop carrying propaganda about Biafra. You can give any fake news that you want to give around, but not in the Biafra struggle. We are here to get our freedom. Okay, Ngozi Oradeze have tell the people back home that they are governors, right? Like we are now in the United States of Biafra. But now you yourself that is broadcasting on radio, you can't be able to come out and carry Biafra flag around in your own state. Can you do it? If you say that we have get our total freedom, can you do it? Can you risk your life? And you are here supporting Ngozi Oradeze, and you are not ashamed of yourself. You are not ashamed of yourself. Carrying fake news, carrying propaganda around.
Okay, so let me help you. Let me help you. Hold on. Don't go. Relax. Finish what you want to say, then don't drop the call. Okay, continue.
My brother, see, we should call a spade a spade. We should know the truth and follow the truth. Our peers have learned this government, the structure, how the template which we should be following. They tell us that this government is after we get recognition, before the government will be dissolved. Have we get any recognition in any European country, world power, like United States of America? Have we get recognition?
Okay, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you one question before I reply you. Are you in the cabinet? Are you a member of the cabinet?
You don't need to know who I am.
No.
I'm a member of the cabinet.
No. Are you listen?
Once you are
you member? Yes or no, brother? I don't. Listen to me. I don't like to call people off. I'm asking you a question. Are you a member of the cabinet? Yes. So I'm not saying you should tell me your name and your role.
I'm not.
Simple. So you are not okay. Let me address you. Or do you still have anything to say?
You said?
Do you still have any other thing to say?
Yes, I have.
All right, continue.
Because you are old man, be carrying propaganda, be calling for that. You know, okay, why in Gonzalo Base started fighting for sit at home? Because DOS did the same thing. When our PM started, DOS fight our PM to make sure that they stop the sit at home. And I thank God they never succeed. And then Ngozi Orabese will never succeed. Ngozi Orabese will never succeed. And then you calling General Igwe Butozo all the time. Ngozi said that she has an army. I don't know why all of you at that Orama go to force according to General Butozo. Why are you people calling General Butozo? The man that is just God have given to Biafras, to save Biafras, to fight for Biafra freedom as well. Now he's quenched the fire. The killing have started. Ngozi have not raised her army to come and defend the Biafra land, to fight Nigerian government, to fight Nigerian terrorists. And then you are here, they carrying propaganda, they're talking about Sonny Amarawa, they're talking about Ajere, which you are here to give us the energy to come and support our people, and they go here carrying propaganda around. Do you think that the Biafra you see, lies only stand for some days, it will end. Remember what Mazinam the Kali tell us. In the mountain that we have to climb is very, very hard. And we are on that mountain after you and Ngozi Orabese, all of you that is supporting Ngozi Orabese, the shame will catch all of you. The money, okay, let me ask you again. The money that Biafra have been donating to the new mandate account, where is Ngozi Orabese keep the money? Where is the money to give to get things that our BLA is using? Where is the money? Can you tell me where is the money? Have Ngozi Orabese give us account for the money that Biafra have been donated for a month now? Where the money is?
Are you done?
Have you asked Ngozi Orabese a question?
Are you done?
Where is the money that Biafra donated?
Are you done? Have you finished?
You can go ahead, my brother.
Okay.
You can go ahead.
Okay, now let me.
The question you asked.
Yeah.
Go ahead. I'm listening.
Okay, just don't interrupt me. Okay. Now. Okay. You are for Ogenkere. Can you just drop the call? I will call you back. You call me back if you have another question. Call back. Drop the call. But just listen.
I should drop the call.
Yes, you can call back.
Okay. So like how long?
Okay, don't worry, don't drop the call. Don't drop the call. Let me mute you. Don't drop the call. Don't drop the call. Just listen. Now, you said that you are for Ogenkere, and to you said that shame shall catch me and every other person. That is who you guys are. You guys are very abusive, impatient, and you lack ability to think. I have nothing to do with COS or anybody. I have not talked to her. Are you getting the point? Now, it is not my fault that I am able to calculate to know that 1 + 1 is 2. If you choose to be ignorant of what I'm saying, you talked about my age. You don't know my age. I don't know your age. I can't even see your face. But you come out here saying that I'm bringing falsehood, and you are listening to what Chiamaka Ejele said in his own broadcast. Am I the one that said go down and say what you said, what you are saying? Go and talk about this. No, you listen to his voice. So, what is the propaganda in what I said here? You talked about money. Where is the money that they convert to for 2 months or 1 month, like you said? But you don't bother to question the guy that have been holding the account for ages. The same guy, PM is there. One of the charges that PM is facing in Finland today is money-related issue. And that money must go to Ogenkere. You are okay with it. And you are talking about how to get Biafra, how you people have. You see, when your mind or your spirit is not clean, you can say anything that pleases you. Or maybe something that you think that is going to benefit you. You cannot just start pointing finger at another person when you yourself you have a questionable character. Look at, just hear yourself, because you don't have the capability to connect the dot to understand what is playing out. PM, like you said, do you know how long PM has spent to earn Biafran's respect and trust? And you have somebody, because they made you financial minister, you don't care about the people, the intention of the people, what people want. You need to prove yourself. The guy is forcing himself in people. That's a very red flag, number one. Madogana started when? 2012. I think 2012, sorry. 2012. Then 2012, he was not popular. 13, he was not that popular like he is now. As of 2014, people were still calling him names, criminal. He spent those years to earn trust and respect. Then somebody who claimed that he's a finance minister, ordinary to tell us your real name, your full name. What's your name? Today you are calling him as Namorkan. Why don't you call him as AKL Okulola? Or maybe you don't know this is a leader, and you're okay with it, and you are here trying to back me. How can you do that? I don't want to insult you. I just want to use what you say to address you. If you say you are truthful, what is the job of the person that want to lead you? There's a rumor that he's ex-convict in US. I don't want to talk about it. Why? Because I don't want to implicate our brother. He's still my brother. But just come out and say this is how it is. Do you actually believe that people derive joy in talking about Ogenkere, talking bad about him or Sonakara? Nobody drives joy. Sonakara was someone that I respected more than all of the cabinet, all of them, including Orabes, before now. But it has been proven that he's not what I thought that he was. He can lie like never before. So if you want to lead, this is how to lead people. Be truthful and sincere to them. You are here telling me that we will never succeed, but somebody who told you that he spoke with PM 30 minutes just to buy people's trust. Can you just imagine that? For him to lure people to start trusting him because he want to follow shortcuts. PM spent years. You are here talking about PM battle with the DOS. Do you know how long it took PM to do that? People trust PM faster than the way they trusted Mazamukan because PM was face to face in battle with the DOS, and people were fed up of DOS attitude and the way they kept silent, refusing to debunk some of the things that people are talking about. Every suspicious movement they have made, they refuse to debunk it. The same thing Isaiah Ayog is doing today. They said that you are ex-convict in US. He kept quiet. Your full name, you don't want to address it. The money in your account, he refused to address it. He claimed that he single-handedly fund convention in Finland. That one was on he came out and said that if people felt that he offended you, that he's sorry. I listened to that, but that is not the proper apology. Then the same person you are talking about now went to Trump inauguration, claimed that he received invitation. They started doing photoshopping and cooking up stories. Do you know that it was in the platform of one of the, I think Azayoba DOS member, that I saw how they use Photoshop and use somebody like an Asian man, the person's body, and cut off face of Elias and fix it there. Why I don't want to preach about that on my platform, because I don't want to create more issue. I just kept quiet. But DOS, they were dictating that some of the videos you are seeing is Photoshop. And you are here trying to tell me, let me ask you, you that are talking, who do you think will give you your freedom, will fight for you? Is it someone that is lying to you? Or somebody that's following the template of PM? Because some of you don't know about the template of PM. And before you answer that question, let me tell you something. This morning, somebody called me, and from a reliable source, he told me that the CRC that you're talking about, are you aware that before the convention, they've already voted against CSC, even all of them? There were 20-something in number in the cabinet, as I was told, and they decided to dissolve that group before convention. And it was voted that it was reported that 9 people were in support of Conflict Resolution Committee, CRC, that group that they're using now to do voting, have already been dissolved by majority in the cabinet. The video is out there. It's just that the COS don't want to, fight them the way it's supposed to be, because COS have a lot of video. But to avoid this issue, maybe when PM comes out and you begin to feel like that COS shouldn't have bring this sort of thing out, they are now pushing COS to bring some of this evidence so that PM can use that against her when PM comes out. But the evidence of these lies they're telling you is intact. That the video in the cabinet where they dissolved that CRC is with COS and other Biafrans. They don't want to bring it out. If they have to bring that video out, you yourself will be shocked that this CRC they are using and claiming that he voted Ogenkere as a DPM, as an acting prime minister and blah blah blah, have already been dissolved unanimously by the cabinet. That even in that cabinet, Van was very, very angry, and he was busy insulting COS in that particular meeting, to the extent they kicked him out. The video is available, but they don't want to bring it out because, just like I told you, this is what somebody told me. I'm not a member, but you that is not a member like me, you want, because you are getting it from one side. You want to rain insult on me that I'm preaching propaganda. If I ask you to bring one propaganda video from my channel, can you do that? A video that is a propaganda that somebody brought out a video, maybe analyze a video and don't want to say it the way it will be understandable, that you can understand it, does not mean that video is fake or false, because you don't know the real issue about that some of these videos. The lies. Anybody can do propaganda, like you said, that propaganda, but you should channel propaganda to the enemy. I don't even have time for propaganda. If I'm not, I have a lot of news issue people send to me that I don't play it here because I'm not sure of it. So you coming to my platform to tell me that I'm preaching falsehood and propaganda, to me is an insult. But let me take it that you don't know. So answer my question. Thank you.
I want to ask you a question, please.
Answer my own.
You have not asked me a question. You asked me a question. You continue.
Okay, let me repeat the question. Let me repeat the question before you ask me. My question is: somebody that is lying to you, do you trust the person to give you Biafra or not?
Somebody to do what?
Somebody that is capable of lying to you in many things. Do you believe that person will fight for you and give you Biafra or not?
Can you mention the person that you know that is lying?
Ogenkere. Can you come close to your mic so people can hear you? Your voice is empty.
Ogenkere is not lying.
Okay. Hold on. Let me finish with my question. You are answering my question, but you said that Ogenkere is not lying. Then I ask you, let me highlight the lie to you so that you know the lie itself. When he said that he spoke with the PM, for 30 minutes, is it true or lie?
You said?
When Ogenkere said that he spoke with the PM for 30 minutes, was it true? Is it true that he spoke with PM 30 minutes or was he saying the truth or not?
Ogenkere come out to say it because since they have get our PM Finnish government, Ogenkere have not come out one day and tell us that that's our PM.
I can't. Your voice is fading. Hold on.
I just answered your question. Allow me to make my point.
I did not hear what you said. I did not hear what you said. I did not hear what you said.
Yes, I believe it's still directed by PM.
Okay. Did you hear PM's wife when he said that nobody talked to PM outside Finland, or less those than in Finland? Did you hear that?
See, there is people that are my PM for that as contact. You can call them.
My brother, your line is not. Your line is having issue. Okay, I can't hear what you're saying. Yeah, let me call you back. I want to hear from you because without having a proof. I want to make sure that you actually saying what you're saying.
You just ended the call.
No, because nobody was able to hear you now. Your voice, it was like you are talking to yourself.
Okay. I have a question.
You have not answered the question that I asked you.
I have answered. I said yes.
No, I asked you. The question I asked you a question. Did you hear when ex-wife of PM said that nobody talked to PM apart from those in Finland, and not everybody, but only his attorney and his family member? Did you hear that?
So, but before then, they have allowed our PM to make call.
No.
And I believe.
No.
Okay, they will not lie to us. My brother, I want to ask you a question. You just ask me a question.
Okay, can you come close to your phone so that people can hear you? Your voice is very, very fainty. Can you come close to your phone?
I said yes. I believe that Ogenkere have talked to my PM for 30 minutes because Ogenkere have not lied to us. Before our PM make him a finance minister, he know who he is. Before he make him, and our PM never come out one day and tell Ogenkere to come and do accountability for Biafrans. Have you get any information that our PM have called Ogenkere to come and do accountability for him?
Yes.
To Biafra government?
Yes.
Have it happened before?
Yes.
Do you have the proof?
Yes.
You have the proof?
Yes.
Which state?
So do you also have the listen? Do you also have the proof that you have not asked him to come and give account? Do you also have the proof?
You don't have proof?
Do you have a proof that you have not asked him to come and give account? Yes or no?
Yes.
You have a proof?
Yes, I have proof.
Can you send it to me? Can you send it to me, the proof?
I want to ask you a question. Can I ask you the question?
All right, go.
Okay. What do you think that Father Abed will give us Biafra? Yes or no?
Do I what?
Do you think that Ngozi or Abu Eze will give us Biafra, will bring Biafra to us?
Yes.
In which aspect? By calling our lobbies criminal, by calling our military on the ground kidnappers, by blackmailing our people and the Biafran.
Can I hold on? I want to ask you a question. Do you understand Igbo language?
I am an Igbo man, traditional Igbo man. Yes.
In an Igbo. Okay, continue. Don't worry, continue.
Okay. So now the next question. What Pastor Abed is doing, is it the right?
I am struggling to hear you. Just put the mic on your mouth.
I said, what Ngozi Abed she's doing, do you think that is right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you telling me that the money that Biafrans are donating to new mandate account is going to BLA, the Biafra Liberation Army on the ground, to defend our mother's land?
Okay, the army you are talking about, is it within Ngozi Abed or
Sorry, I asked you a question.
I'm answering you now.
That the money Biafras are donating to new mandate account is going to direct to BLA, which you have here Butus of voice, and I have seen you many times you play Butus of voice. That the money that Biafras are donating to new mandate account have not get to them. Do you think that what Ngozi is doing?
My question to you is that BLA you're talking about? Do you agree with me that hijacked them or not before? Yes or no?
You think what?
Ogenkere hijacked BLA, yes or no?
Ogenkere never hijacked any Biafran military.
My brother, you don't know.
Ogenkere cannot control the tools as a whole, general of the armed forces. Do you think that General Butuzo is Musa? Do you think that General Butuzo is Musa?
What are you talking? What are you talking about?
I'm telling you that Ogenkere.
I just asked you, what are you actually talking about? Let me play the audio to you so you get. Let me play the audio for you to hear. You want to say what you don't know. I believe you are very busy.
You don't know to hijack the Biafra Liberation Army. It's not possible. It's not possible.
Oh, did you hear? Did you hear the audio?
Ogenkere can control the whole 40 states of Biafra military. Tell them to hold on, to cease fire. Do you think that the Biafra Liberation Army, many of them were listening to him? You are telling me that Ogenkere hijacked a country, a government military, as a Nigeria as a whole is now. Musa will hijack the whole military. Tell them to cease fire.
I want to interpret this audio. Can you do that?
What?
Can you interpret this audio that I'm about to play for you now? Can you interpret it?
On Igbo language?
No, even in English.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Just let me bring it up so that you can interpret it.
Now notice that on our plan.
Now listen.
Politics. All you people just kill just a money, but rest of money and get here and prison. So that the kind of better image of Biafra Liberation Army.
So do you recognize this voice?
Yes.
Who is the owner of the voice?
It's General.
Okay. So do you know who he was addressing here? Okay, meaning that he's with who?
You said?
Meaning that he's with who?
I said it is addressing Ngozi Arabese, and our Butuzo himself have addressed Ngozi Arabese many times. Tell Ngozi Arabese to stay away about finance, to stay away about our Prime Minister BA. What Ngozi Arabese is going to do in the military?
Who is the fighter jet?
That our PM have organized to protect Biafra land. What is Is it not to destroy Biafra? Is it not to kill?
Your problem is that
Commander Zuma, Commander Zuma. As Commander Zuma left his place, join Ngozi Arabese, what happened to him? Can you tell me about Commander Zuma? That
you are carrying fake information, and you are accusing other people to carry fake information. You don't know. You are living with Sona Akbarawa. Listen, you are living with Sona Akbarawa's handbag. You don't know anything, brother. You don't know anything you are saying. You don't know anything that you are saying.
I follow Biafra.
You don't follow. You follow. You don't follow. Listen.
You say that Ngozi Arabese will bring Biafra.
No, you have
the court that our leader went to on Monday. Have you seen Ngozi Arabese tweeted anything on her tweeted handle?
The one you tweet. What has he achieved? Has he released mass American?
Oh, he go to Biafra Defense Forces.
I am asking you. Releasing mass American is by tweet. DOS.2. You guys should be careful with some of it. People don't. If you allow you now, you start carrying flag to release mass American, and they will think that it's when you repeating one thing over and over again and expect different results. That is a sign of madness.
There is question.
There's no question. Listen, you answer my question.
Not answered. There is one question I asked you that you have not answered.
I mean, you have not answered my question. You have not answered my question. And I'm going to listen. I asked you a question. You don't want to answer that. I asked you, listen to Butuzo's voice now. Does he sound like somebody who supports Ogen Kirongo or the best?
Okay, have you seen?
Answer the question. No. Answer the question.
What did you say?
Answer the question.
What did you just go ahead and ask me?
I can't hear what you are saying. Your voice is fainty.
I said, go ahead and ask me the question again.
I've already answered you. I asked you now. I'm just waiting for you to answer. I said, listen to Butuzo's voice. Does this sound like somebody who is in support of Ogen Kere or Ngozo Rabezi?
My brother, why are you acting like somebody that if you want to go to work or you went out, you will not enter motor to go or you drive your car?
Answer the question.
Are you not watching? Are you not watching a Butuzo tweet? Are you not watching his tweet?
What is tweet?
Our General Butuzo have made it clear that
what is his tweet? Mention his tweet. What is tweet? What is
should
tweet?
Stay away from him. You should not be mentioning his name on air. That nothing concerns him and his government,
okay.
Her cabinet.
Okay, really? So and you still want that person that you don't want and to give him money?
You said?
You said it yourself. That according to you said he tweeted, and that Twitter handle is not Butuzo, but let's forget about it. The person that you're talking about, Butuzo told him not to mention his name, that you don't know anything about him, right? And you are still here arguing that CS should go and give that person money. Don't hear yourself.
I asked you a question and I have not get answer from you.
No, answer this one now. Your question. One of your questions is if the money that is going to manage the account goes to Butuzo and men on ground. Then I asked you, this voice that you heard just now, is it Butuzo's voice or not? He said yes. I asked you, do you believe that, judging by the voice, that Butuzo is in support of Ogen or COS? You said that he's against CS. Then I asked you, then why are you asking CS to give money to somebody who is not in support?
Made it clear that where the funds are getting to men on the ground, being a Biafra Liberation Army, is from old government, being Ogen Kere's part. That is, but the money that the Biafras are donating to Ngozo Rabeze is not getting, even one time, is not getting to them.
All the Guinea hearing problem. Adjongina, that money you are talking about, you said that Butuzo, according to you, said to COS, I don't know your government, I don't know who you are, I don't believe in you, in fact, don't mention my name. That's what you said, right?
Yes.
Okay, then I ask you, having said that, do you actually expect COS to still go back and start funding somebody that have told you that I don't have anything to do with you, I don't know you, I can't work with you? Then you still want the person to carry money and go and give the same person that have rebooked her.
Before I will answer your question.
Oh, you know that. So the same thing I'm
coming. We have the water. General Butuzo stop. Because if the new mandate account, if everybody is donating to the account that our PM have kept for us to donate to support the Biafra
ordinarily, if
the money is going there direct, everything is on the record. When our PM comes out, he will ask, okay, now I'm out. I want you to do the accountability in front of me, and the PM will sit there. The Biafra cabinet will be there. They will do the account, see how the money is going, see how everything is going. But now our PM is not there. It's just like I open an account. Okay, I make you a manager, right? I make you a manager. I am the CEO of the company. Let me just give you a little example. I make you a manager. I am the CEO of a company.
See, before I'm coming.
Answer
the question.
I traveled. as I traveled, my brother came to the shop and tell you to do account for him. When I have not sent him, when I have not tell you to go ahead and do it. Will you do account to my brother that he did not open shop for you? Or you will wait till I come before you can be able to do the accountability in front of me? Because he is not the one who hand over the things to you. Are you not listening to yourself? By deceiving our people back home, by deceiving Biafrans.
You are not insulting yourself without answer the question. Oh, yeah, go back to the question. Go back to the question. Go back to the question.
They want to come about for Ngozi.
Go back to the question.
Ngozi, right?
Go back to the question. Now, can you go back to the question?
Yes, okay. I asked you a question. The money that the
go back to the answer my question. Answer my question.
No mandate account. Where is the money going to?
Answer my question.
Where is the money?
So it make this this is listen. Make this you are just insulting yourself. You see, PM we are talking about is in Finland facing account related case. Even you were shop, you were for one day worker, where you have no account. Look at just hear yourself. PM is facing an account related case. So which means even if nobody have asked again for accounting before, this is the right time to do it because we want to know why they are questioning PM for our account related issue. Do you understand it? Okay. Anyway, since you don't want to answer the question, let us end the conversation because I cannot allow you.
Which question you asked me that I have not answered you? Which question?
So this is why I told you to answer before you, because I know you pretend that you can't remember. I asked you a question. You said that Obutuso told COS, don't mention my name, don't talk about me, I don't know your government, I don't know anything. I asked you, so do you expect COS to still bring money to finance and fund somebody who have said maybe social comment before, that he don't want to work with you? You still want her to go back and fund him rather?
One question that you asked, why?
Answer the question. You see, this is what you said before.
Relax, I told you,
brother. Is it?
Wait, I'm coming. Let me answer your question.
Answer the question. Yes or no? Yes. No. I don't want explanation. Yes or no?
Okay.
I don't like when if you call. Don't just talk as if you own me. I hate to hang people's call. Answer the question, please.
Hello.
I am listening to you. Answer the question. Are you willing to answer the question?
You asked me a question. You said, how will I think that somebody that
no, please put the phone close to your mouth so people can hear you.
What I want to the question that you asked, instead of the men on the ground to get killed, they have to protect themselves.
No, but your voice is fine.
I said Otuzo is protecting themselves because instead of them to get killed, because anything goes to dashback account, Islamic bank account to BLA is red flag. It's red flag.
So is Butozo going to the account to bank to withdraw money from BLA account?
If you want to, if Ngozi Arabese want to do the right thing and the
how is the account implicating Butozo?
Send the money to Biafra government account. There is somebody.
So can your APM withdraw the money? Look at your brain. So that the person your APM withdraw the money. Okay, sure.
Okay, do you think that the APM is eating Biafra money? That is your problem.
Then do the auditing now. Do the account.
The problem is envy.
Do the account.
The problem is envy and jealousy. Envy and jealousy. That is why it's very, very difficult to get where we are going. Because
envy and jealousy on what?
Ngozi Arabese have slowed Biafra down. based on her attitude, become a president, to become you must bow or do this. Is that how you lead people? Is that how you lead people?
Well, are you married? Are you married? Are you married?
Me?
Yes.
Yes, I'm married.
You are married. Wow.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
Okay, I asked you a question and I have not get a response from you.
What is the question?
I asked you. You said that what Kosa Rabeza is doing is right? That she is going to bring Biafra, right? I asked you this question.
What is the question? What is the question?
Biafras are donating. Have you asked Kosa Rabeza that question? Because why I ask you this question is because Kosa Rabeza come out to start lamenting, calling General Butuzo, calling Commander Holy Ghost, calling Gentle to Yahoo, calling them to come out to do this, to do this. For people that you have claimed, people Butuzo tell you, this issue of the government, you do your thing, but leave that account that TM create. Leave his PA that know us. Leave.
What is your question? You have not forget about it. What is your question?
My question is that the money that the Biafrans are donating every weekend to a new mandate account, where is the money going?
Okay. The money is going to new. The money is going to new. Listen now. Let me answer you. The money is going to new mandate account where they are donating it.
Okay, that is where the money will remain until you get it.
Yeah, it will remain there. It will remain there until everything is being fixed.
So you get the total freedom, right? So you get the total freedom of the Biafra. The money will be on the mandate account.
Now here where the money will be going henceforth. I will play the voice note that you hear now. Okay, just calm down and listen to this. Because I know that the platform that you follow will not play this one. Listen.
No, go ahead with your propaganda.
No, listen now. Listen. Oh, listen now. In my voice is General Brutus. So listen. Yeah, listen. So just calm down. Don't rush.
I am not only a good to Sakalaquamon, the Biafra, the drone, Umuna Malabia, Kalaquamon, Umunam, the Hamana Masakalaquamon. I am not only a good to Passam Copasatamana and Amma. I have information on water. The Kandeji Ahamu and Meltoto. Shibukoya Memel. Sonia Devil, I am a man. Happy is the one government. And over to government, Kayakuan. And over to Alaji Kana. Shibukoya Marabula Bishania Kayangwa, Kamunihan and Menagaga. And Naputuzo bills in the one government. And Naputuzo believe Biafra whatever. And then Bomu woman about Kenny Line and Maconi wishing. Shibuko and Naputuzo Anohana propaganda government. Him now in a USB government. One mind.
So Butuzo said that he's in USB government. So you guys are still in bridge, right? So where is the Butuzo you're talking about? Is it Royce or Ray Butuzo? Hold on. Let me bring your voice up. You say what?
Wait. You say General Butuzo said that he's a USB.
Yes.
He's in a USB government.
Yes.
Are we going to answer USA? Are we going to answer USA? Answer my question. Are we going to answer USA or USB? Which one is the General Butuzo stand for USB? USB is the United States of Biafra, which everybody knows. Which USB is different again?
So then your APM say people should fall back to yes sir.
Yes, we are still in exile. We have not taken our total freedom to our land. Okay, are you telling me that Nigeria?
But the general that you guys claim that you guys have is now in USB.
My brother, why are you about it?
I'm not the one. You are listening. You are listening to it now. No, what is your what?
Why are you listening to our people? You to come out.
Can you come close to your phone so that people can hear what you are saying?
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
No. I say bring the phone close to your mouth so people can hear your voice. Your voice is very, very, very low.
Okay, I said that you are deceiving Biafrans.
How?
You are carrying propaganda with remedies. You are deceiving Biafrans.
How?
By telling Biafrans to go. Okay, I ask you, have our PM make fundraising, tell people back home to show their picture, to show their phone number, to show their face on the web.
Can we finish this? Can we finish this? Can we finish this very one?
Have PM done it before?
Can we finish this very one? That Butuzo is in USB.
Which USB again are you talking about?
United States of Biafra. You guys are
under USB again.
But your own, you are supporting bridge now. Biafra government in exile.
My brother, stop deceiving yourself. Stop deceiving our people back home. Call a spade a spade.
Answer the questions. I can accuse you. I can accuse you, and I may have evidence against you.
My brother,
the question is, listen. The question is, are you in USB or in bridge? Where are you?
In Biafra.
Answer me.
You say?
Are you in USB or in exile?
I'm still in exile. I can carry my flag around my country.
Okay.
Am I free to carry my flag around my country? It's general to come out in front of Nigerian military with gun as a Biafra military.
Listen, man.
To come out, wait. Why are you saying? What are you saying? It's general to now. Okay, now we have the Biafra, right? In Finland on 2nd of December. Now I want to ask you. You say that now United States of Biafra is a country, right? Right?
I'm listening to you now.
Hello.
You
say that the United States of Biafra is a country, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you, either you are in Nigeria or you are in, I don't know where you are, but anywhere you are, no problem. But can you come out now and tell Biafra Liberation Army to dress as a Biafra military to come outside to walk around patrol their country as they are now a total freedom?
Do you know the difference? Do you know the difference?
Is it possible to you?
Listen,
no, is it possible to you yourself now? Come out and carry Biafra flag. Go to police station. Say this Nigeria police station is a Biafra police station. Is it possible?
So why did you declare Biafra?
You said?
Why then did you declare Biafra? Yeah, why did you declare Biafra?
I rededicated Biafra to become a country, but before we become a country, the world.
So
power
do you supposed to listen, man?
Wait, have any world power recognized Biafra?
Why then do you declare it? Why don't you wait until they recognize it before you declare it?
Then we should follow the template that our PM, the charter.
What you guys are saying is just listen now. What you are saying is just like let me say let us assume your name is let us assume that your name is John. You want people to start calling you John before you yourself start calling yourself John. You want people to recognize you as John before you start calling yourself John. And when they ask you, why don't you tell us your name? You say no, you don't want to answer your name because you want people to recognize you as John before you yourself admit that you are John.
My brother.
So you declare that you cannot carry flag. Listen, man, let me answer you. That you cannot carry flag to walk around does not mean that you are not existing country. What you have accepted who you are. Then you have to now prove that you are who you say you are. You cannot be running away that you are in exile, shying away. Then as you are in exile, you expect people to start, okay, don't be in exile, come on, John, I'm here with you. Who does that?
Yes,
you see, your leader, if you have this
accepted who I am.
If you have this you did not accept it, that's why you keep on falling back. You are falling back because you are falling back because you are running away from this.
I accepted who I am.
You don't. You prefer.
But as a Biafra, now Biafra is not in a world map. They are not in a world map yet.
Anyway, my brother, I think let us.
As a nation,
no,
what we have to.
It's okay. It's okay.
Defend our land.
It is
our
okay.
PM said that the major thing that we should be doing now is to defend. Men on the ground.
It is okay.
Defend our land. That is the main.
Hello. Good day to you, my brother. You're welcome.
This guy will for us. I try to take this your number so that you know when I work for this. My dear, you go to the every other. You go back to COS. It is men on ground. And I'm asking, you go back to finance minister. It will also be the men on ground.
I want to know your question. I want to know your question. You go there again. My brother, or somebody now what all even mele you declare Biafra. You guys are good at it. I think secondary part of it or primary part of it. Or what are we finding now? Imana, if somebody feel that covered himself with lies, like you are used to listen to people that are telling you lies out of emotion. You know, believe you're not on a bagginaro. You don't want to use your own mind or your brain to understand if your mind and everything because you will hate it. If on okay, somebody on the neighbor they protect that no genkere na overrati. Yeah, he goes na your choice, he goes account to anything. Mana the PM in a fight for na azad you but not account to genkere. So
can they allow that guy to defend himself? What is wrong with this person? Can they allow the guy to defend himself?
They don't because they know. Ocho hizo kama nka tu months and 1 month because of them at FGM. Okay, mato. Okay, mana ndi na comment or ka mmadụ chino mmadụ na comment. Look at it now. Okay, butuzo kita na ha ya na finals. In what are the point? Ya kita mo kwa o ka believe go no Royce bo ife butuzo and all the o ka believe go ya. What are the point? O ka believe go ya. Mana as day goes by because that all deal that all no, somebody he can ekwu maka position COS. These people believe that COS go not just secretary PM, not just somebody just like receptionist. Photocopy. That's what they believe in. My money, what from I can go on. What can I put my word from I can because I like it's my argument. You what if I reason about how noisy they keep putting in argument. He did the point. Let us. Nah, I can't that is so. Ọchọ party. Oh my phone now. Oh my dodge. Thank you. He what a guy there. Thank you, my brother. Thank you for calling. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, bro. So, in case if you don't know, the voice notes of Butozo, that voice note that have been trending. Him and Ross, he can apply for more Ross. I say that no voice notes here last year. And I but tomorrow that now, it will many other voice notes. New one, so in a defending you get defend another 1 week of first. And Matana go get about name if I think my how dubious some of our people can be. In the week, he pretend to farm everything, but they don't know anything. Like I always say, I'm not here for propaganda. Even though these are brothers keep on accusing me that you are propaganda, you are lying to our people. Now, even they go out the people, if you go and believe, it does not mean that I'm lying. No. Can we get that clear? Even they go like it does not mean that I'm lying. So we may have different opinion and different belief. Don't see it as a propaganda. If Oginkere is truthful, maybe that if on truly not the right, I will tell you the truth. Like I said, because is not my biological, we are not related. In case I'm make a wonder why. Everybody, even though it is my brother, all of us are one. And I'm not here to tell you that let us wage war by anybody. I'm not supporter of any violence. But truth have to be told. We need to understand it. We need to get it right. Because I shall not like this guy before my defend him, I know we cannot contribute heavily. Or they are too heavy not to accept. They lose again. You never can tell. Oh, because sometimes ndị wa na-egwu wayo na ị na-aba here they'll keep on robbing you na-ataga na afụgon na pretend kwa na na-enyere gị aka say you don't want no nke last you don't want you know that kind of thing. Oh, you be one night. Oh, it's all guys very difficult to accept even though the truth is looking at you one-on-one, but that means if I but all come and equate then you keep on paying for what you are not sure of. So now few weeks ago, get a brag, or even last week, when that audio between that our brother Oyami and Butozo. If maybe some of you that paid attention to that, you must have listened to the part where not in that audio, the broadcast of Ogenkere and the Chiamaka, where he said that that audio, that the number of Butozo was old number, that they can't even have access to Butozo now. So now. What I'm hearing, I'm not telling you what that I see, that I witness. But what I'm hearing now is that Ogenkere and their group, they don't have access to Butos anymore as we speak. That's what I was hearing. I don't know if it's true or not, but let's just wait. Then, but judging by the countenance of people that love Ogenkere and their supporters, you can tell that there's an element of truth on that, because the broadcast of Chiamaka proposing to Ikwaku again on Friday, calling for some people to join him and all that, is evident that things is not longer the way it is. To this morning, I've been waiting for Sanakwarawa to resume his usual space. Every morning, every later while he's in a day, he spend hours in a day, 12 hours or 24 hours, for example. Within 24 hours, this guy will spend maybe 21 hour to spend on social media, then using many few hours to take shower and eat. Sometimes I wonder if he sleep at all or not. You are calling me. I don't have time for argument, my brother. I want to close the program. Okay. I don't know why you are calling, but let me answer you. But just be brief. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, bro.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Continue. I'm listening. Just go straight to the point. Okay. Can you speak or let me hear you?
See now, Imo State now was the governor, now Biafra, right? Now all they are demeaning all the 40 states now they are governors, right? Huh?
What is your question, brother? Ask the question.
Yes, I'm just asking you. I just as I ask you, just tell me yes. Obangozo Rabeze is in the whole 40 states of Biafra now they have the governors. All these states
I should tell you yes. Or you want to ask a question, you want to verify something. Are you asking me a question or not? What is your question?
My brother, we are all fighting for Biafra.
We are not. We are all not. We are no. We are all not. You are. Some of you are fighting. You are fighting for money. You are fighting for money, and you are not fighting for Biafra, brother.
My question is that I think now, the 40 states of Biafra now they have all governors, right? From COS, they are all governors. All these states, they are all governors.
Oh, we're not on our phones. Go straight to your question. Let me know what you're saying. Go straight to the question. I have my time is limited, please.
That is my question. Now the whole 40 states of Biafra now they have the governors.
Yes, they have governors.
And then now the president of Nigeria, like Governor Soludo, is no more in Anambra State, right?
Is what?
Governor Soludo, is he still a governor of Anambra State? Or the, from the breakaway government that stand with Ngozo Rabeze, is the governor of Anambra State. Okay. Why have him to Rema? Because that day, the thing offers to do many things to us. So, Rema, of course, in Anambra State now, where a governor, apart from Soludo.
Yes.
That governor now, the Biafra governor now, no, na the breakaway government. When we keep put down now, Tiru Bianyaramoto, Potassium governor of Anambra State. No governor of Anambra State. Or the possible.
Okay, but do you agree that Biafra have been
please just answer me so that
yes, all the possible.
Okay. And all the possible.
Yeah.
And then again, when working on us now, the Biafra now, they go total free. Now Biafra now with the country.
Yes.
Unorganized guy.
Biafra, yes.
When you give Biafra flag now, that checkpoint is free and I can say if Biafra citizen.
Yes.
All the possible.
Yes. All the possible.
Okay, if it's possible, please, can you send your brother, if you're not in a homeland, can you send your brother or your sister to carry Biafra flag, go through checkpoint, and make a video that she is or he is a Biafran, then pass the checkpoint that she is a Biafra citizen or he is a Biafra citizen. There is no more Nigeria. Can she do it and make the video and post it on this place? Let me see.
Then if I do that, what will you give me?
Huh?
If I do that, what will you give me?
You are a big man, you are a rich man, I will give you 200K, what I can afford.
But I have it already. So I have that in it. So you simply you cannot have.
Let it not be comedy.
Alright, let me. So can I reply you before I call back this person? Can I reply you quickly?
Yes, reply me.
Okay. Do you agree that Biafra have been declared?
That what?
Do you agree that Biafra has been declared?
Yes, but not recognized yet.
Yes, just answer me yes. So you agree. So when you listen now, yes. That Biafra land, when you declare Biafra, do you still have Soludo as governor or not?
You said?
When you declare Biafra, do you still have Soludo as governor in Biafra land or not?
Soludo.
Yes or no? No. Okay, let's start again more. Okay, no. Okay, for can't listen.
Soludo is still yes.
Don't equal. I will cut you.
Right now.
Listen, just go. If you're going to start by your own, yes, right?
Yes.
So don't you think that don't you think that you're a hypocrite by answering that question that you asked me now? One problem one problem that you people have is that things are very good when it is in your hand. When that thing is another man's hand, it becomes a taboo. You declare Biafra without knowing fully that you have governor. And you wave flag, hey, flag, you sing praises of Biafra, right? Then you want to go back to bridge for you to fight for something that you declared. Why you're supposed to stand on that thing that you declared and fight, so that people can be proud of that name that you fight for. If you have Biafran today, after using bridge, can you say that you fought for this name, this nation that you're getting the name? You can't say that because you twist the name. You are using because you guys like shortcut. That's so. See, I don't have time to address you, but the issue just.
No.
I can't hear you. Be audible because I have a limited time.
I like to learn. I said I like every day. I like to learn every day because I hear when our PMs, you are in the Biafra government, and if I hear you talk to any politician back home in Nigeria.
I don't have time for gossip, okay? You say you want to learn. You are not learning anything. You say you want to learn. You are not learning anything. Let me call back our sister. Hello. My sister, sorry, I was on call with that guy. Please help me with just make it snappy because I'm running short of time.
Okay. I just want to thank you for all you're doing. Guys, there's something I wrote there. Fools will be fool. And if you follow them, they will drag you into their mess.
Honestly.
So sometimes you need to know there are different type of people. This one is a fool and evil that is trying to come and just waste your time. You see, everything you wanted to do there now, they didn't allow you to do it. We that wanted to call in and contribute, now you're rushing. Please, my brother, we appreciate you. You cannot make people who they are not. They are there now to just delay you. You will know that this person has no time for what we're doing. Let him go to bridge. It's okay.
That is it.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much, sister. Thank you. And one more person, I'm gonna call you back. Then after this person, we have to come to an end. Where is it? Where is the person's number? Just a moment. Okay. GBK Miracle. GBK Miracle, answer your call. Okay. Hello.
Bro.
Yeah, bro. Get email.
Imana dika ni we even change you. Abia na this Biafra cabinet government. HLM na COS meaning chief of staff. Olia.
That is it. Why for me now?
Okay, Chukwubu finance minister Okuya.
Exactly. Former.
Indicate that he's a member of the staff, right?
Yeah.
So now, who declared the Biafra? Because Esum went through this Finland convention. Esum, like from the first day, the person who wanna sign those documents ever goes out.
Okay.
I think, yeah, but the person who even the time this Ambassador's government, yeah. Then I'm going to say they are the one that 2 of them are the one that signed the document.
Okay, thank you for that.
Now, after the convention, this organ, she just meeting for fundraising without contacting the other cabinet members.
The same way you declare Tata will sit at home. So not today, I think tomorrow, right? Tomorrow, 13th. I think 13th.
Tomorrow we'll sit at home now. Tomorrow, I think 2 days. So now, it's on one of the staff now. After the convention, a rush getting a fundraising without contacting your chief of staff, without a discussion, is that no madness? So the thing about them, onye ka na-akpọchi amaka ka na-akpọ ya ọbata online in fact inegodi fokin na-eme onwe ya inegodi fokin okenye mmadụ na-eme onwe ya online na-ajụ ma ọ bụ onye ka Biafra ga-eji ga-abịazi
ejinya wee tinyere Biafra na ole gbasara ya na onye na-egwu ndị
ịma na a sị na a na-alụ ndị ọdọ na-alụ e ga-enwere ndị ga-na-emebi enwere ndị na-emebi onye dezere Biafra ịchọpụta ndị nke bụ eziokwu right from the beginning more support like oge nkiri mgbe nka na-amara onye ọbụ right from the beginning even like I mean before the convention so mụ ahụrụ ahụ cheno a good guy I teach him more good guy mụ adị school girl esi eme niile the guy goes after this convention I'll be surprised even Sonny Aparawa even though now a social media can on our mana much a good guy let on one post in a page one to no post on YouTube so I watch this thing even look at the team and that this man guy that turn everything information
exactly. My brother, wow. Thank you for your time.
I like giving them more.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So the other guy, this is our brother actually. My brother, don't be angry. Every time next time you call. Thank you so much. And in my one thing, water, but no worry, no, just a culture is not true. And our people are gifted with the wisdom and understanding. In a lahapa, each of just it won't mad like that. It's not fair. Oh my God, the Haga school, each of the female. We don't need to listen. Imam Ada vote and it is inbuilt to read, to understand and decode what you are trying to hide. Or let's one for batch be pay attention, gave in a organization. Upon in our worry. The bank partner now easily came money, may one or two. Third one and man, anyone account 1, 2, 3. You do not get on at you get why. So in a many name I want money the careful. Oh my, she's not, but I don't blame him because him know we can put 200 and then I'll sleep of man like you people maybe or not trying a second. Kechemaka is different ball game. When you can be able to wait it. Case by very good in the first. I don't mean to insult anybody, but let us focus on the reality. This is our brother that started this argument. Why I don't give you a chance to talk again is because I'm running short of time. I want to meet up. I have something to attend to. Okay, and maybe next time, if you are here on our main platform, you can call in and continue that. I don't want to give you that kind of idea or feelings that I cut you off because what you are saying is unheard of. No, you can say all the manner of nonsense you want to say. I call it nonsense because that's why maybe it is sensible to you, but to me it's nonsense. I don't mean to insult you like I said. But anytime we are here, you can call in. Even though you started the argument with insult, I count myself just to listen to you that I'm telling lie, I'm preaching to a Biafra's lie, I'm doing propaganda. That means you don't even know. If you say you are a Igbo person, you don't know where you don't know your people. Each and every body can do propaganda way, so no can. While you are doing that, you are disgracing yourself. And I'm not saying an educated Igbo person, an average Igbo person. I believe to on ordinary, in our water the point. So I'm not afraid of anybody if I needed to in the buy. Oh, if you want them to deceive you, they deceive you. And if you are the kind of person that you are being, the people can deceive you anytime. God made DNA and Igbo. I can argue that. Okay? Gotcha. Because Igbo, you worry too much. Or I can do I can deliver on a fan. Or do to any special thing. That is the main point. Igbo people are very calculative. and you can't deceive them by all this propaganda, all this creating falsehood and all that. Do it for a while, but it's not gonna last. Thank you, my people, and see you again. God bless you all. Bye bye for now.